Here at Lloyd Land Rover York, we are pleased to have available this stunning Bmw M4 Dct. Finished in Silverstone Silver, it has 19-inch M Performance alloys on the front, 20-inch on the back. It has the customary M Sport wing mirrors and the carbon fibre roof. As well as this, we have the rear privacy glass, the carbon spoiler, as well as a carbon rear diffuser, which just have a brilliant aesthetic to the car. As we enter the back of the car, you can see the great condition of black leather seats, which have ISOFIX points, as well as the vents for the dual climate. In the front of the cabin, you have the buttons for power fold mirrors and windows, the Harman Kardon Sound, multifunction steering wheel, and the adjustments for the heated memory seats, which again look absolutely amazing and give a very comfortable ride. On the steering wheel, which is heated, you have mobile controls, cruise control, and your central display there. The centre console benefits from carbon inlays, which you can see have climate control, heated seat functions, as well as the main information display in the centre. Through this screen, you have access to various apps, including the sat-nav. You also get access to the radio and multimedia settings, Bluetooth telephone connections, DAB, radio, and you also get to choose vehicle settings, in which you can set up various driving modes for 2 different people, and also have a choice of your heads-up display settings. If you'd like any more information on this stunning BMW M4, please get in touch and one of our sales team will be happy to help you further.